Welcome to week 9 of English in Primary School and the second week of the Great Hat Guessing Game. This week is all about planning and pedagogies for English. It is the beginning of Theme 4. In this theme, the weekly activities directly relate to Assignment 3. This time, the weekly activity is a key component of the final folio submission. Therefore, if you participate each week in the weekly activity from now on, you will find that your work for A3 is already done and finished. And as a bonus, you would have received feedback and critique on your preparation for A3. This week's weekly activity corresponds to the section in the assignment where you have to articulate your pedagogical approach. Be clear and specific about your pedagogy. Support your claims with evidence from the literature and examples in the classroom that you have put in your lesson plans already. The weekly activity asks you to include a reference list. To help you along with this week's activity, please have another look at the Collaborate slides 6 and 7 that were sent out last week. Slide 6 is titled, How Might This Be Used in a 4-Resource Model-Based Pedagogical Approach? So this is an example of that model, the 4-resource model. This includes the code breaker, the text participant, the text maker, and the text analyst. For those who chose this pedagogy to write about in your first assignment, you will be very, very familiar with this already. Slide 7, or the next slide, is entitled, You Could Plan in Other Ways Too. So it has a look at how you might use other models that you may have chosen in your essay. If you didn't or couldn't attend the Collaborate last Friday, the 13th of January, then I strongly urge you to have a look at the recording now available. Also, don't forget, the second Collaborate is on this Tuesday, the 17th of January at 8 o'clock AEST. Here you can ask questions as we go through the details of Assignment 3. I'm looking forward to your A2 submissions tomorrow. And yes, it's a Russian Yushenka. Keeps your head warm in the sub-zero temperatures of Siberia. All the best. Goodbye.